And then there are ETFs. These are called exchange traded funds. ETFs are like index funds with a few key differences. ETFs can be bought and sold throughout the day. So as you have probably seen on TV, throughout the day, a stock market price can go up or down. So with an ETF, you can buy the price at this second. You can look online on a broker which offers ETFs and you can say, I want the price now, and then you buy it at that price. An index fund is bought and sold at the price that is set at the end of the trading day. So you can't buy it in the middle of the day at a specific price point that you want right this second. It doesn't work like that. But for long-term investors thinking 20 or 30 years, the specific and minimal differences between being able to pick the price at 2 in the afternoon as opposed to the end of the day, it's going to have a minimal effect over the course of your investments. So it's kind of just a preference thing. And the other key difference is the minimum investment required to get started. So with an index fund, remember we talked about VT Sachs? The minimum requirement to invest in VT Sachs is $3,000. However, the ETF version of VT Sachs, you can invest for the price of a single share. And there are also brokers like Robinhood that allow you to purchase fractional shares. So if a single stock share was $100, but you didn't have $100, you only had $20, then with Robinhood, you could invest just $20 and buy 1/5 of one share. And so you can buy fractional shares, so you don't even have to have the price of a full share, and you definitely don't have to have the $3,000 minimum investment to invest straight into an index fund like VT Sachs. So either way, index funds and ETFs are a great way for beginners to get started in the market with an investment that is already diversified and already has low fees. So if you have any further questions about stocks, mutual funds, index funds, or ETFs, go ahead and throw that in the comments and smash that like button. And if you want more on this topic, you can watch the full video here, or you can go to my playlist down there, or to learn more about personal finance, investing, and building wealth, you can click below. And don't forget about my TikTok and Instagram at ThomasKnappFE. Find your path to financial freedom. Stay empowered, and we will see you next time.